Look at this big girl standing. Look at that big girl. Lily. Lily. Are you standing all by yourself? Hey, Lily. Are you standing all by yourself? Like a big girl? Very good. Let's look at your legs. They're spread pretty far. Are you slipping on those socks? Good job. Good job. Say bye-bye, Mama. Say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? I love you. Okay, have fun standing at your play table. Thank you, Lawrence and Corey.